Hey, this is Ospreyeye from MyChartCoach.com, and we are looking at ticker symbol FWM. Okay, big winner today, huge bounce. We posted an alert in our chat when the share price was up 7 cents. Now it's up nearly 350% and has been up over 400% on the day. A strong bullish reversal pattern is forming. As you can see here, yesterday's close was below the lower Bollinger Band, and then now today, bullish engulfing reversal pattern is forming. And so this is a strong pattern. There was a move today. We were looking for a break above EMA's 4, EMA 4 and 8, and so there was a break above both levels, and also a break above the gap. There was a gap between low of day on May 2nd and high of day on May 3rd. That gap has now filled. So now the gap filled, EMA's 4 and 8 resistance broke, and then the middle Bollinger Band was the next target. The share price is currently hitting that level at 25. Now that's the key level to break. The share price temporarily broke through the middle Bollinger Band and actually hit up here at the 50-day simple moving average, which is currently at 33, and that will be the next key level to break if there's a close above the middle Bollinger Band. A close above the middle Bollinger Band signals the possible start of a new uptrend. Okay, today what we were looking for is we'd like to see a close above EMA 8 and a close above the top of the gap. As you can see, this was a major support level, and then now it's resistance. A close above would be bullish, and then the next level to break is going to be the middle Bollinger Band and the 50-day moving average. As you can see here, the 50-day moving average is lining up with this support from April. Notice this was a support level. Now it's resistance. So this is called a horizontal support. And so we want to see a break above that level, and that could signal a possible run to the 100-day simple moving average, which is currently up here at 43. Okay, so what the red flags we're looking for today, if there's a close below the top of the gap, this red line, or a close below EMA 8, those will be red flags. If there's a close above the middle Bollinger Band, that will signal more upside potential. There is this giant volume spike today, so that is very bullish. There's big money behind the move. If you notice, there is an upper wick forming on today's candle, which does show profit taking off of high of day. Bulls do not want to see a sell-off end of day. You know, it'd be much better if there's a strong close. That would create an uptick on accumulation distribution. As you can see, accumulation distribution has been dropping. A strong close, there should be a nice uptick. If you look up here at Fasto and RSI, Fasto is now in the 50 to 80 bull zone with room to run until overbought levels, and RSI is here at 48 hitting the 50 bull zone. So what this is showing is that both indicators have more room to run. Okay, now let's look at the 15-minute chart. Each candle on this chart represents 15 minutes of trading. As you can see here at the start of the day, there was this candle that formed above the middle Bollinger Band. This was your bull signal that the chart was heating up, and then it was the second candle here that was the close above the 50-day moving average that signaled party time, and then you had a close above the 100-day moving average that signaled more upside potential, and then the break above the 200-day simple moving average and this resistance zone from back here on the 29th and the 2nd. And so after that big run up to 34 up here, there was a pullback back down to the 200-day simple moving average where support held. We're looking for support to hold here, and there was a nice bounce off that level, so that was a really cool alert in the chat. Good job, everybody. Way to trade. Now, what we're looking for is we want to see this middle Bollinger Band currently at 18.4 and the 200-day moving average at 18.2 hold. As long as those two support levels hold, it's going to signal more upside potential. Bulls want to see a break above this high 27.28 close right here. That will signal a breakout back up to this 34. Okay, the charts are signaling more upside potential. As long as this 15-minute chart remains bullish, FWM will remain in play. The big volume is signaling more upside potential. Keep an eye on MACD down here. Notice the MACD line is still above the signal line. You know, the chart's still bullish. A MACD bearish crossover would signal downside risk. Okay, good job, everybody. Check us out at mychartcoach.com and our YouTube channel at mychartcoach.com for more great trades, opportunities, and educational information. Okay, thank you.